Welcome to Astro5s.com. Hello. Glad to see you again. Today I would like to share with you the video about Moon in 12th house. About Moon. Rules is Cancer. Exaltation is Taurus. Detriment is Capricorn. Fall is Scorpio. Responsible. Mind. Material. Assets property. Mother. Represents. Domestic, nurturing urge. Anatomy. Breasts, stomach, fluid balance of the body, digestion, glandular secretions, left eye of male, right eye of female. Keyword is emotions. General. The Moon in the chart prominence is important because this is the planet closest to Earth and moves fast through the zodiac. It represents the principle of women, mother, wife and women in general. Instinct, mood, tide, phase, receptive ability, motivation, feeling, habit, reflexive action. Its actions affirm and change. Adjust personal interests, desires, needs. 12th house, it means mental health. It shows the state of your mind. Limitations, frustration, hidden strength, subconscious mind. Natural sign is Pisces. Natural ruler is Neptune. Keyword is subconscious. 12th house is a house of endings and water. Quality is cadent house. General. The 12th house reveals your unknown or potential strengths and weaknesses. This house shows suffering, restraint, disability, secrecy, seclusion, frustration and action behind the scenes. And it identifies places of imprisonment, prisons, hospitals, psychiatric institutions, etc., and restraint, inhibition, exile, secret enemies, potential dangers, self-disturbing issues and secrets. Honey. This house shows the things we hide from others. Research, foundation, subjective maintenance, inner consciousness, subconscious mind, spiritual debts to pay, karma, but also charity, sympathy and public welfare. It's often called the horoscope's wardrobe or trash bin because here we sweep away or hide too painful problems to face or difficulties we refuse to admit. Moon in the 12th house. You are restless, shy, sensitive and overly withdrawn, and you do not like the strange surroundings. You are a born lonely person who likes a reclusive lifestyle. You need alone time to recharge your emotional batteries. You like to work in separate ways, and often you live in the world of the imagination. The secret to success in your life is to spend more time in seclusion instead of trying to find the public's eye visible. It simply means that you need to work behind the scenes as much as possible, even choose a career that requires seclusion, or in institutions like hospitals, libraries, museums and archives, isolated locations in remote places. You are sacrificing yourself. If you don't care too much about your patients, you can be a good nurse. The Moon here is usually only secret love. Secret relationships can put you in a difficult situation. You may even have women's secret enemies. You have a sense of initiative, and you can get frustrated with small fantasies. You may be forced to quit early in your life. The same is true when you love secrets and mysteries, especially esoteric secrets, occultism and romance tester. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions please tell me. If you want free horoscopes please watch below video. Thank you, see you in the next video.